Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Jasmine Katrina. If you are new here, welcome. Today we're doing a quick get ready with me, trying out a couple of new products. So if you like this look and you want to see how it all comes together, then keep watching. Let's get into this quick get ready with me. My face is all prepped for skincare. I did everything this morning in the shower. Here we have the Milk Hydrogrip, and if y'all hear Onyx, he doesn't respect me. I hear how chaotic he is. Okay, so let's go ahead and put some primer on. Let's get into these brows. This brow always comes out so nice, and then like this one be like, maybe. So I'm gonna actually use the e.l.f. Clear Brow and Mascara Gel. It's two-sided. This is on the brow side, so my brows can hold. So yeah, am I gonna do? I don't want a lot of heavy makeup. So for foundation, I can go with NARS. Have I done NARS in a while? I haven't. Okay. Let's go in with the NARS Soft Matte Cosmetic Foundation. I'm in the shade Iguacu. Hopefully I don't spill nothing on my shirt, because the shirt is white and I rarely wear white just for that purpose. But foundation. So for concealer, I'm gonna do the e.l.f. the e.l.f. Brightening Concealer. It's this thing here. I'm gonna actually have a new setting powder from Kimchi Chic. Okay, I'm gonna set my face. Oh, I don't know how I feel about that. Oh, I don't think I like that, y'all. I don't think I like that. Ooh, what is happening there? You know what? All right, let's put you down. This is, oh no. It's like, do y'all see? Am I tripping? All right, I'm gonna take some of my foundation. I'm just gonna, like, I don't know. I just feel like foundation, covering that up again with foundation can't hurt. Okay, I don't know how I feel about that. That was weird. It looks fine in my mirror, but it looks weird on camera. I don't know, but we'll run with it. So taking the Makeup Revolution foundation stick in shade F18. Yeah. I'm gonna take the stick and I'm just gonna go here and there. I'm gonna take this brush and blend out. It on down. Now let's go in with this is the Black Radiance Baked Blush and Toasted Almond. This is what that looks like. Add a little bit, and we're gonna go right on top. For eyes, and with the Makeup Revolution Pro, this is what I just recently picked up from Ulta. I'm gonna actually take in this orange right here. So for eyeliner, this is the NYX Professional 2-Timer Double-Sided Wand. That is a felt tip and a liquid tip. I want a little bit of highlighter. I'm gonna go in with the Mented Cosmetics Peach with the Stars. Take my highlighter brush, do a little, and I'm just gonna set with the Milk Set Spray. And mascara, we're gonna go in with a few different options. This is the e.l.f. Which one is this? Big Mood Mascara. Don't want lashes, y'all. But it's always a good time for lashes, but I might do like the really simple small ones today. We're gonna go in with like the smallest set. Nothing crazy. I just want a little more, you know, pizzazz. Okay. So taking that same palette, I'm just gonna reapply that like orangey color so that way that shows up more and covers that lash liner. So like, okay, so for lips, told you guys I want to do a little orange. I'm gonna actually use my Buxom Plumping lip liner, then Creamy Chocolate. I hope my lighting does not come across weird. It's coming off so dark and it's not. Okay, so for my oranges, we have options. I have the Thread Beauty Shade and Fiery, and then I have this NYX XL Lingerie in Getting Caliente. So I think I want, which one is like more, I'm gonna try the NYX. Yeah, it's a super bright orange, which I like. Now taking my NYX Protector, so with an ombre, I'm gonna go and tease it up like that, and then taking this, wow, I like that. This is the finished look. I hope you guys like this. Comment below, let me know what you think about the orange lips. I feel like it's a good spring, summer. He's so chaotic. A good spring, summer, and I'm wearing like this Diana Ross graphic tee and some jeans because I'm about to head out. But thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope you like this video. Make sure you give it a thumbs up and make sure you subscribe if you're not already following and joining the family. We'd love to have you around here. And until next time, friends, be well, do well, and be safe, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.